How to enable caption on YouTube videos. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. First of all, you have to click on the YouTube app that is located down below. As you click on the YouTube app, then you have to select the video that you want to watch. As you select the video and hit the play option, then you have to do a simple thing. Let the ad play for a minute. As the ad is gone, then you have to do is click on the video, and above there you will have an option of CC. That click on that captions or subtitles from my YouTube video. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.